Dr. Vikas Agrawal, ENT specialist in Mumbai, specializing in sinus, snoring and sleep apnea surgeries. At Sinus and Snoring Clinic, Worli, we concentrate on sinus and snoring disorders right from childhood to old age, using the latest technologies like Coablation, by which we can perform painless and bloodless treatment for tonsil and adenoids in children, drug-induced sleep endoscopy, and CT scans to diagnose the various causes of obstructive sleep apnea and snoring in adults, and to treat them with Coablation and robotic technology. So if you have any problem of snoring, sinus or sleep apnea in any age group, please visit our Sinus and Snoring Clinic in Mumbai. Thank you.